The Manchester Municipal Corporation has issued a stop order to the developer carrying out construction on a building which houses the new KFC in Christiana. But as you'll hear in this report, the developer is claiming the order is unreasonable.
Anticipation was high in Christiana, Manchester about the opening of the new KFC in the area, but it appears they'll have to wait a little longer. This was Man of the Mayor Donovan Mitchell while addressing the Manchester Chamber of Commerce on Thursday.
I will tell you, my guys knows me very, very well because I tell them KFC in Christiana cannot open until they have solved some building mishap up there in terms of permission to build more than they were given. And that is my major problem.
The stop order was issued to the developer Aidan Peart on Thursday. It's understood that the issue involves the soil type in the area, among other things. The development has left some asking questions. But on Friday, the franchise sought to clarify the issue. In a release, KFC Jamaica said it does not own the building currently under construction, but instead is a tenant. The release added that the stop order issued pertains to the developer overseeing the construction of the property. KFC said, while opening this location, it received the required approvals from the parish council for the specific building and restaurant outfitting and has adhered to all necessary compliance measures. The franchise says it maintains its commitment to compliance and safety across its network, and this project is no exception. Meanwhile, the developer Aidan Peart says the issues with the building were already being addressed prior to the stop order. He adds that the order being applied to the section of the building that houses the KFC seems unreasonable.
The area that the franchise that's supposed to be opening next week, that area was approved and passed. I'm in dialogue with the council to rectify the issue that they have, and I think we should in short order have that resolved so the citizens of that area of the parish can have some fast food very soon.